What's up, everyone? Here we go again with another informative video, another how-to tutorial. Now, I did get some more questions about how to get free games, even free console game-like games on your Nintendo Switch. And the most asked about is Fortnite. So I have Fortnite right here, as you can see. Let me see. Yep, this is the actual Fortnite game, on the Nintendo Switch. All right. So let me go exit out. Now, how do you get the free games? Easy. So Fortnite was just a prime example. Same way with the YouTube app and Hulu, and I do got a comic book app too as well. Of course, you want to make sure you have Wi-Fi, internet connection, mobile data, hotspot. All right, make sure you got that on and not in airplane mode. Okay, so you go to Nintendo eShop again. All right, so then you want to go to search. You want to go here, downloadable content. I think this is the fastest way. You tap on that. Then you want to go to software. Okay. And then for price range, you want to look to the for free. So hit that for free. And boom, these are all your free content that you could get to download right to your Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. Okay, as you can see, I got Fortnite, Splatoon, Tetris 99, Warface. Okay, so these are all the free games and free applications that you can get and download right to your Nintendo Switch. All right, so keep this in mind when you're trying to find something. All right, and this is how you get the Fortnite game for free on your Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. Yeah, and boom, here we have it, Fortnite. Already purchased. Let me go back home. All right, and yep, that's how you get free games on your Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite using the Nintendo eShop, and of course, yeah, have to have that internet connection. All right, thank you for watching.